Welcome to the Vimert tutorial. Once you have downloaded the Vimert application, you can run the installation file like any other software. It might take a few minutes depending on your device's specifications. After the installation is complete, a Vimert plugin is added to the Revit interface, and a Vimert icon appears on the desktop, where you can click and open the application. When clicking on the execution file, you can either purchase the product or run as trial. After running the product, the Vimert main interface appears with the basic tabs, options, and recent project files and samples, just like Autodesk Revit.